Automatic buy sell signal generator. In live market, automatically it will generate calls like signals in this chart. Today it's a Wednesday market, August 30th. After 10:15 sell call generator, red color candle open. Like this daily basis, it will analyze market movement. According to the market breakout, the calls will generate in live market. Today at 10:15, after 10:15, sell call generator, red color candle open. Sell at 44,679, that is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. Below the first target range is more than 100 point target, second target is a 200 point target. After some time, market started to move in bearish direction and it successfully break out the first target range of 44,569. That is more than a 110 point target. Like this only the call started. From the starting momentum, market was in bearish, and after some time only it successfully break out the target, and continuous bearish momentum it break out second target range also. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will send you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.